group, but this is the group I've been waiting for. Yes, come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is bad, dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends into danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
One of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hando.It, and this is Otaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. No, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, as I agree. You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. You worry too much on fire. I would never have to do everything around here.
Great plane.
Thank you. Alright, so we got the pilot cards. Here are the different colored cards you guys can get. Very similar to the one in Los Angeles. Actually, you enter exactly the same. So, super cool to have this close to home. Are you excited?
Pilot for the first time.
She's never done pilot. We did it a bunch in California and no pilot, so here we go. So let's explore the ship a little bit.
Welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a First Order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you play the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on, and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
Oh, yeah, she's ready.
Alright, travelers, right this way. Store that cargo underneath your seats and get those seatbelts on as soon as
For your safety, remain seated and supervise young ones.
Alright, we're here in the cockpit of the Millennium Falcon.
Alright, everyone, store that cargo underneath your seats and get those.
Alright, let's go, everybody.
Prepare. Hit your flashing button.
Yeah.
You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off.
Let's go.
Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online.
There we go, babe.
Pilot, hit the boosters.
Hit the boosters.
Now let's go get that coaxium.
All right.
Pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Go.
Yes, keep shooting! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo.
Hit the brake, hit the brake.
Pilot brakes.
Nice.
Good work. My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Out of the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car.
Let's get in the car.
Fire the harpoons and reel assist. Gunners, shoot the train.
Nice.
The cargo's
Doing good.
Keep shooting.
Let's get this coaxium.
Good job, my friend. Yes.
All right, let's get the third one.
I will grab it. You keep up the train. Punch. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Nice.
The Star Destroyer is collapsing.
Uh-oh, that's not good.
Let's pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost. We did not die. Let's get out of
Pull
here.
the button. Pull it. Oh no, we're in a meteor
Your
storm.
hyperdrivers failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Who is right? We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. Of the belt. Two more. He's the last. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to live a mark.
Oh no.
Yes,
I got it.
Pilot us
Oh,
in.
no.
You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Not bad.
All right,
We did
damage
it.
report. Engine failure, all right. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. Okay, that's something. I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you list the parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends. You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is something. Not a lot, but something. Welcome back to Batu. With you? For what? She says for what? I am always honest. Friends, this is what we in the business world call a major malfunction. Yes, you are right, R5. It is no cause for alarm. It's perfectly safe. Everyone will be fine, but unfortunately, it takes a few minutes to reset all the complicated systems on the Falcon. And in the meantime, well, we've got a little time to pass. So here we are, passing some time. Other than the complete failure of the Millennium Falcon, how was your flight? All right, how long has it been? R5, I'm hurting up here. 45 seconds? You kidding me? Okay, my friends. While I look into repairing the Falcon, R5 will play you some music. Yes. All right. Then go.
It's spinning. It's resetting right now.
Or instead he's going to make noise.
Nice.
Well, this didn't happen last week.
Chewy.
Ah, Chewy, my furry friend. Nothing to worry about. We're having a small issue with the Falcon. No, well, nothing major.
It keeps spinning.
She just
I don't know
seems
what's
to have
going
a
on
little
with
trouble working. I tried to reboot the system. That's the first thing I did. Could you repeat that?
Oh, we're out.
So you're saying I should reroute the power from the hyperdrive motivator to the sublight engines, disable the quad laser cannons, and deflect the shield generators, and reverse polarity on the quadex power core?
Yes, do that.
That sounds like a long shot, my friend. 1 in a million. Not bad.
So the Falcon broke during our ride, which we still got the whole ride, but Disney is awesome, so we get to go again on it. So we're gonna go do it twice.